Hi guys, good morning. And feel ko dito ako lagi nag-good morning sa spot na to. Pero anyway, it's currently 6:52. Yes, ngayon lang ako bumangon. And ang klase ko pa is 7:30. So mahaba-haba pa yung oras ko. And wala na din naman akong gagawin. Maghihilamos lang ako. Magpe-prepare ng breakfast. And then, yun na. Mag-aaral na. I'm gonna go downstairs now. And I'm gonna wash my face, prepare breakfast, and yeah.
I'm not used to be high every time. Running off back eventually. I may tell you that I'm fine.
So, it's 7:04 na and papasok ako mga 7:15 kasi 7:30 yung klase ko. Hindi na tayo malilate guys. Hindi natin gagayain yung previous vlog na na-late ako. So, ayos lang ako ng konting-konti kasi tingnan mo naman. And hindi ko nga alam ba sobrang dry ng hair ko ngayon. As you can see, buhag-hag talaga siya. Simula kasi nung nagka-bangs ako guys, lagi ako nagpa-plancha ng buhok kasi hindi sumusunod yung bangs ko. So, siguro dahil doon, kaya siya dry. So, yan. I'm just gonna put on a hair clamp for now kasi ayokong ibaba yung hair ko. O, diba? Fresh-freshen lang. Kunwari, wala masyadong assignment. Kunwari, hindi ka nasa-stress. Ganon. So, I'm gonna enter my class now. So, guys, papasok na ako sa klase ko ngayon. And I think our first subject is contemporary something. Pero yun, I'm gonna enter my class and yeah. Guys, wala pala yung teacher namin sa contemporary. So, inuna namin yung probstat or probability and statistics. So, math ang una naming subject na yun. So,
whatever. I don't care if you know they don't like them. You can go f*** yourself. Fuck life, let's dance. I don't care what all these haters think of me. Whatever. Let's leave for Wednesday. Hey, the weekends. I don't care what they think of me. I
Guys, 9:30 pa lang. It's only 9:30 pero parang sobrang dami ko nang ginawa. Pero ang ginawa ko pa lang naman, tinapos ko yung isang activity namin sa math. Pero gusto ko nang matulog ulit. So, it's Sunday, August 22, and kaya ako nag-vlog ngayon kasi we just hit 100K! Yeah! So, actually, kagabi na hit yung 100K sa YouTube channel ko, and hindi pa din nakakapag-sink in sa akin na parang, 100K, ang dami nun. Talaga, grabe, I'm still in, is this real? And ayun, I just want to say thank you guys. Kasi, syempre, kayong sumusupport sa akin dito and nanonood kayo ng mga videos ko, ganun. Tsaka kasi, from the start, hindi ko naman in-expect na magiging 100K kasi nung pinost ko yung first video ko, yung Red Aesthetic Makeup, ano yun eh, trip ko lang yun na parang out of boredom lang. Bored lang ako noon. Nag-post ako ng video. Tapos nagulat ako, may nanood. Ayun. Sobrang thankful ko and grateful ko sa inyong lahat. I love you all so much. As in. And yun guys. 100K na tayo. And ngayon ay maliligo na ako kasi bala kong hindi mag-celebrate, pero ayos kami ng friend ko mamaya kasi magte-take kami ng IG pictures. Pero yung mga pupuntahan naming locations, guys, is make sure namin na wala talagang tao. And malapit lang sa amin yung pupuntahan namin. And ngayon, maliligo na ako kasi tingnan yung buhok ko, ang dry, ang dugyot. Pinadala pala yung Dove sa akin. And wait, lagay natin siya sa bed. Ayan yung box. Sobrang ganda ng box. And pag in-open natin siya, ayan yung laman. Guys, I'm going to try out their new shampoos. And they sent me the Nourishing Oil Care and Straight and Silky. And grabe ang bango. Nakasarado pa lang ang bango na niya. I'm excited to try this out. Kasi nga, lately, ang buhok ko po ay parang walis tambo, and di ko alam bakit ganun. And I don't know if I will try the Straight and Silky or the Nourishing Oil Care. Ito kasi sabi nila yung Nourishing Oil Care is for bouncy, glossy hair, and ito extra shine, smooth, and shiny hair. Ito na lang gamitin ko, yung Nourishing Oil Care. Maligo na tayo kasi 10 ako aalis, so
you've been on my mind lately. I tell you all the time, baby, that you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine. You've been on my mind lately. I tell you all the time, baby, that you make me.
guys, good morning, and Feel ko ang tagal ko lang hindi nag-vlog kasi it's actually Thursday. Yung last clip ko is Sunday ata yun. And for today, we're gonna do some online classes, maybe review kasi mag-exam na kami next week. Ang gara kasi, andun pa kasi ako sa adjusting period for senior high school kasi sobrang nakakapatay yung workload. Pero wala. That's normal. It's senior high school. Kailangan na natin mag-ready for college. So, wala tayong choice. So, ayun. Ngayon, I don't know if I'm gonna cook some breakfast. Pero, siguro, hanap na lang ako sa baba ng pwede kong kainin. Pero, yeah. Hola people. So, I decided to eat yogurt. Ito yung favorite brand ko ng yogurt, yung Pascual Mango. Basta yung Pascual. Sarap yung yogurt nila kasi hindi siya sobrang asim. And it's good. And nagpalit din pala ako ng damit. I'm using this sweater from Falofa. Yes, pero I'm gonna try to link it down below. And I want to share with you guys my phone case. Ooh, and alam ko, nami sa inyong nagtatanong kung saan ko nabibili yung phone case ko. But this one is actually from a local ID shop. It's from Daystar Cases. And sobrang ganda ng vibe niya. It's like flowers and then color brown siya. I like my case. Sobrang cute niya. And I've been liking brown lately. And I might do a to-do list ngayon before entering my class para lang we're organized this day. Pagod na ako. Ayoko na. Avocado pala to. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's currently 3:47 PM and I'm about to go out kasi may dentist appointment ako ngayon and baka mag-grocery kami ni Mommy. Pero before that, I want to share with you guys something na na-share ko na din sa previous clips, which is about my hair. So recently, for the past 2 weeks siguro, yung hair ko sobrang naging dry siya, naging frizzy siya, and nagka-problem talaga ako sa kanya, as in damaged talaga yung itsura niya kasi I've been putting a lot of heat on it, as in may araw ata nun or may week nun na everyday akong nagpa-plancha ng hair ko, kaya talaga siya naging damaged. Pero guys, I've been trying out a new shampoo for about a week now, and it is the Dove Keratin Tri-Silk Serum range. So, this one is the Nourishing Oil Care. And baka curious kayo, ano ba yung bago dito? Ano ba yung difference niya from their old shampoo range? So, ayun nga guys, may added ingredient siya, which is the Keratin Tri-Silk Serum, which will help us with our hair problems. And sa akin, my hair is dry nga, na sinabi ko kanina, it's dry, it's damaged dahil sa heat from straighteners, from curlers. And after I use this product, as in, nakita ko yung difference ng hair ko before sa ngayon. So, ayun guys, before I share my whole experience with the shampoo, I want to let you guys see naman my hair right now, na makita nyo talaga yung difference niya. So, yun. Let's reveal our hair. In-air dry ko lang to guys, hindi ako nag-blower or anything. So, ayan, diba? You can tell na mas shiny siya, and it actually feels a lot better na kapag hinahawakan ko siya, walang buhol-buhol. And, ayan, no, sobrang bouncy lang niya. Kasi, itong variant na tinry ko, yung Nourishing Oil Care, it's for extra nourish, extra bouncy, and glossy hairs. And, ayan siya up close, guys. Mas confident na ako sa hair ko ngayon. Hindi ko na kailangan magtali everyday. I can just lugay my hair like that, diba? And I'm ready to go. Another thing na gusto ko dito sa shampoo na to is sobrang bango niya, kasi maraming tao yung nakapansin sa akin. My mom and my friend noticed that ang bango ng buhok ko. And first time ko lang nakakuha ng compliment na gano'n. So, sobrang natuwa ako. Kasi inamoy nila yung hair ko. Parang sabi nila, buhok mo, anong shampoo yan? So, sabi ko, yung Dove yung shampoo ko. Oh my gosh. So, din dito, guys, is after kong maligo, meron kasi sa iba kong shampoo dati na sobrang sticky pa din ng buhok ko, or may malakit na feeling na effect yung dati kong shampoo. Pero dito sa shampoo na to, wala. As in, kapag pinatuyo ko siya, ganyan na siya. Ganyan na itsura niya. And sobrang happy ko about that, kasi finally, I found the perfect shampoo na, diba? And alam ko, marami sa inyo guys yung may hair problems din. So, if you guys are looking for a new shampoo, palitan nyo na yung old shampoo nyo. I highly suggest the Dove Keratin Tri-Silk Serum. And marami pa silang variants guys. Meron silang Nourishing Oil Care, meron silang Straight and Silky. So, talagang makakahanap kayo ng perfect na shampoo variant for your hair type. So, if you guys are interested, I will be putting their links down below kung saan nyo siya pwede bilhin. And yun guys, I highly suggest talaga tong shampoo na to. As in, worth it. Guys, I'm about to leave now. I'm gonna go to my dentist na and meet my mom kasi magkikita lang kaming dalawa. And this is my fit. I'm just wearing this shirt and then this shorts and then this bag from Shein. And then my footwear is from Crocs. Ito yung Crocs kong pink. Wait. So yun, tara na guys, kasi minabadali na ako ng nanay ko and pumunta na daw ako doon. So, let's go!